Hey guys, Jess here. So how many of you have a ton of photo cases with printed photos in them and you really need to scrap them, you need to get to them? As you can see, this is just one of my, I have, I think, a couple bins like this, and I have 2 drawers full of pre-printed photos that I need to go through. And what my thought was here is I'm not going to scrapbook all of these photos. It's just not realistic. So what I want to do is I want to go through these containers and pull out the photos that I absolutely want to document, and then the rest of these will get filed and keep them for, you know, just to have on hand for various reasons, or like if the kids have a school project and they need photos, they'll be there and available. I used to print all of our photos before I've got my own printing at home, and I haven't looked back. So I'm only going to scrap them if I like the quality and I like the photo. Other than that, they're going to stay in here in these bins. But I just feel like before I go and print copies of some of this stuff, let's see what I have. For the ones I am going to scrap, I'm actually going to make like little, put them in these 5x7 envelopes, make them kind of like ready to go, little kits, if you will. And so I can just pull from these photos that are pulled out and ready to scrap. So that's what I'm going to do here. And so this bin consists of quite a few photos, but I do want to say that I have some cases of older photos, older family photos. So I haven't really decided what I'm going to do with these yet. So they're baby photos or old family photos. So this is going to be a different project. I haven't really decided quite yet how I want to address these photos. Honestly, my head goes to, do I just put them in page protectors, like in photo sleeves, and just leave them as is? But I'm not sure. I haven't thought about that. So this is a project for another day. So these are going to be pulled to the side. But as for the rest of these are all photos that I printed, and I need to pull out. They're mostly of Wyatt. I need to pull out and see if I still need to scrap them. So I'm going to go ahead and put the music on, speed it up a little bit so you can see my process, and then I'll show you the end results. I hope you guys will join me. Okay guys, so I've organized my photos. I got rid of actually a lot of duplicates, so I think I'm gonna run those to the shredders. I don't have a need for the volume, and so I had a good sense. I've actually scrapped a lot of those photos, or ones that I decided to scrap, and so what I have left here is photos that I definitely want to incorporate, or I want to scrap. So here's Wyatt, Natalie, and then Joseph and I. So I'm just gonna, I have a bin on my desk, so I'm actually just gonna leave these on my desk so I know to look for them, or grab them and scrap them at some point in time. And then I also have this container of Wyatt's professional photos, his newborn photo shoot that he had done, and I haven't actually taken the time to scrap all of these, so I want to do that as well. And actually, now that I think about it, I should probably just put them in an envelope as well. I just absolutely love these. They came out so good. I have scrapped some of them, but I think there is quite a few that I haven't. So I'll pull that one out too. These are just so darling. I love them, love them, love them. Okay. I know I've scrapped those. So we'll keep these in here, put them back in the container, and then I'll put these ones in the envelope. Alright. So that was a really good exercise. I do need to go back through and probably reorganize those containers again, but I am pleased with the progress I made. Like I said, I print all my photos off now, so these are all photos from, you know, 2016 that I had printed, you know, through deals, through CVS or Shutterfly or what have you. And I obviously forgot what I printed because I printed a lot of duplicates. So I'm glad I've moved away from that, but it also feels good to haul out what I still need to document as well. So I hope you guys found this process helpful. I definitely have more drawers to go through to do this, but I think this is good for round one, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great night. Bye.